Hey, so today what we're going to do is we're going to look at domain and range of a graph. Okay, so remember domain is our x values from least to greatest. So when we look on a graph and we're looking for our domain, we want to look from left to right. And the reason we do that is if you look at this coordinate plane over here, my smaller numbers are over here to the left, right? These are negative numbers. So when I look for my domain, I want to look from my left side and go towards my right side because my right side is my bigger numbers. Okay. When there are points listed, you just list the domain points. If it's a continuous graph, like it's a line or a curve or something like that, what you want to do is use greater than or less than symbols to show those numbers. And I'll show you what I mean when we get into those in some examples. Okay. Range we know is our y values from least to greatest. So when I go from range, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the bottom because that's where our smallest numbers are. Down here is negatives. We looked at this coordinate plane, right? So -6 and then up is positive. So my smallest number is at the bottom. The bigger numbers are at the top. So I'm looking for range. I want to start looking at the bottom and work my way up. And that's how I'm going to find my range or my y values from least to greatest. So key things to take away from this. Remember, domain is our x values from least to greatest. And we're going to look from left to right. Range is our y values from least to greatest. And we're going to look from down to up.